Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make this traditional ensaymada. In a large bowl, add bread flour. Next, add sugar, salt, and instant yeast. Stir well, then add egg, butter, milk, and water. Mix to combine, then transfer to a floured area. Knead until smooth and elastic, about 10 minutes. Add more flour as needed. Do not add too much flour. Form into a ball, then transfer to a bowl greased with oil. Cover and rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours. Punch down the dough to release air pockets. Again, transfer the dough into a floured area. Divide into two, then transfer the other half into the bowl and cover to avoid drying. Roll into a log, then divide into equal parts. Weighs about 50 grams each. Flatten the dough, roll into a rope, then make a spiral shape. Continue the process with the remaining dough. Arrange in tray, cover, and let rise for another 30 to 45 minutes. Make an egg wash by combining 1 egg and 1 tablespoon milk. Then brush the dough with egg wash. Bake in a preheated oven 350F for about 18 to 20 minutes. While warm, brush with butter. Let cool completely before spreading some margarine. Next, dust with granulated sugar. Now it's ready! Thanks for watching! More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.